Dear students, continue with the topic. I was giving the example of subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. It has three types. I told you that noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. So now I am giving the example of these types or these clauses. I know where you live. Dear student, it is a complex sentence, and in this sentence there are two clauses, I know and where you live. So it is a principal clause and it is a dependent clause, where you live. So it is called subordinate clause, dependent clause. But our point is that which type of subordinate clause? Which type of subordinate clause? Noun clause, adjective clause, or adverb clause? So now, to find about the types of subordinating clause, you have to ask a question of what or which to find out about the noun or adjective. If we first of all we will ask a question of what to the principal verb. प्रिंसिपल वर्ब से हम व्हाट का क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. इफ यू फाइंड द आंसर ऑफ व्हाट, इट मीन्स इट इज ए नाउन क्लोज. एज नाउन क्लोज डज द वर्क एज ए नाउन इन द क्लोज. Noun clause works as a noun in the sentence, and adjective clause works as an adjective in the sentence, and adverb clause also works as an adverb in the sentence. So here we have to find that which type of clause, subordinate clause है here. Now I am asking the question by using what to the principal clause. I know. If I ask the question, what do you know? I know what. मैंने I know but आगे सबॉर्डिनेट क्लोज के प्लेस पर मैंने what यूज कर दिया. I know, मैं क्या जानती हूँ. If I find the answer of what, then it will be noun clause. I know, मैं जानती हूँ. What do you know? Where you live. Have you got answer था? I know, मैं जानती हूँ. क्वेश्चन पूछा व्हाट यू नो, क्या जानते हो. वेयर यू लिव, कि कहाँ तुम कहाँ रहते हो. आई नो वेरी वेल. सो इट मीन्स वी हैव गॉट द आंसर ऑफ व्हाट. सो इट विल बी कॉल्ड नाउन क्लोज. नाउन क्लोज. First of all, we have to find out about the conjunction. Due to the base, on the base of conjunction, we will decide that which type of clause, coordinating clause or subordinate clause. If it is coordinate clause, then it's okay, because coordinate clause has no types. It is alone, it is single. And if it is subordinate clause, then after that we have to find out which type of subordinate clause, noun clause, adjective clause or adverb clause. So here it is a noun clause, because we have got the answer of what. Next, another example. This is the place where I lived. This is the place where I lived. Here in this sentence, first of all we will find out that which conjunction has been used here. This is the place where I lived. So this is the place and where I lived. It is subject and it is verb, and it is conjunction. Where conjunction. Where conjunction tells about the place. So it is subordinate conjunction. If the subordinate conjunction makes a join a clause, and subordinate in conjunction, I told you that subordinating conjunction make subordinate clause, so obviously it is subordinate clause, and this is the place, principal clause, because it doesn't depend on any other clause to give its meaning. That's why it is a principal clause and it is a subordinate clause. Now we have to find out that which type of subordinate clause, where I lived. Now we have to ask the question. We know very well that if we know that there is no noun clause, but how can we say that we know this? We don't know. So we have to ask the question. First of all, ask question by using what. If you don't get the answer of what, then ask question which. Ask the question, this is the place. Ask the question, what is the place? What is the place? क्या है place? Have you got answer? We don't get an answer. So now I'm asking the question using which. This is the place. Which place? Which place? I am talking about the place, but which place? I am talking about the place where I lived. मैं उस स्थान के बारे में बात करती हूँ जहां पर मैं पहले रहती थी. So it is a subordinate clause and it works as an adjective because it defines place. It defines this noun. So the word which describe noun or pronoun is called adjective. So this clause is defining this noun. Place के बारे में बता रही है. कौन से place के बारे में? क्या है place? कि ये वही place है जहां पर मैं रहता था. Clear? So it is an adjective clause. Clear? Next, I am giving more example. Wait here until I come back. Wait here until I come back. So dear students, where is the conjunction here, or you can use here. Wait here till I come back भी कर सकते हो. Till I come back. So which conjunction has been used here? Till. So till is conjunction. Which conjunction? Till tells time. So it is a subordinate conjunction, and subordinate conjunction makes subordinate clause. So after this conjunction it is a subordinate clause. And wait here, यहाँ wait करो. It gives a complete meaning. So it is a principal clause. Dear students, I would like to tell you one more thing, that it is not necessary that principal clause always will appear in the beginning of the sentence. It is not necessary. Sometimes it appears in the beginning, sometimes you will find it at the middle or at the end of the sentence. So it is a principal clause and it is a subordinate clause. Which type of subordinate clause? Noun clause, adjective clause or adverb clause. Ask question of what? What here? What wait here? क्या इंतजार करते हो यहाँ पर? We don't get the answer of what. So it is not noun clause. Next, adjective के बारे में पता करो. What wait here? So wait here and it is the conjunction. Before the conjunction there is, if there is noun or pronoun here, it will be, or there will be possibility for an adjective clause, but here there is no noun or pronoun here, and we are not getting the answer of which weight here, we are not getting answer. So if we don't get the answer of what or which, so the last one is what remaining, that is adverb, and it till tells about the time, and the conjunction which tells about the time, it will be called adverb clause. The clause which tells us about the time, place, region, contrast, comparison, extent, etc. are called adverb clause. That's why it is adverb clause. Clear, students? So like this, there are so many examples you can practice at home in your book, and if you have any problem, then you can discuss with us. So these are the type of subordinate clause, because conjunction clause or sentence, these three topics correlates each other. If we know about the conjunction, then we can know about the clause, and if we know about the clause, then it is very easy to know about the sentence, because according to structure, there are three types of sentence. There are three types of sentence. There are three types of sentence according to structure. फर्स्ट होता है सिंपल सेंटेंस, नंबर 2 कंपाउंड सेंटेंस, नंबर 3 कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. So these are the types of sentence according to structure, not according to meaning. Simple sentence, just like principal clause, it has its own subject and predicate. And compound sentence, always compound sentence when there is two or more than two clause, but coordinating clause join those clause. If there is coordinating clause, coordinate clause makes compound sentence, and subordinate clause makes complex sentence. So dear students, you have to learn conjunction. Conjunctions are more important for these three topics. Coordinating conjunction makes coordinate clause, and coordinate clause, due to coordinate clause or coordinate clause makes the compound sentence, and subordinate clause makes complex sentence. So dear students, this is all for today. Thank you.